Hey guys, welcome back to another What's Cooking video. Let's make some banana fritters. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is crush my bananas. I'm using 5 super ripe bananas. Now, don't come for me for my bananas. I purposely left them on the countertop because I wanted them to get as ripe as possible. Guys, to make the best banana fritters, you want super ripe bananas because you'll end up using less sugar, and the banana fritters, it'll just have so much more flavor. So I'm gonna get these peeled and crushed. So this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna add in my spices, a teaspoon nutmeg, a teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Guys, you can add more or less. This particular recipe is by taste, so if you want your banana fritters to be a little sweeter, you can add more sugar, but again, the sweeter the banana, the less sugar you have to add. Now I'm going to mix it all up, making sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated before I add it in the flour. So at this point, it's time to add in the flour, and I'm going to do so little at a time. I scooped out a cup of flour, but I ended up only using 2/3 of a cup. You just want to watch the consistency of your batter. You don't want it to be too watery, but you don't want it to be too thick. So usually it depends on the size of the banana and the texture of the banana. If your banana is more loose and ripe, you're most likely going to use more flour. If you have a more starchy, firm banana, you're most likely going to use less flour. So now I'm just mixing everything up and scraping down the sides. And I'm mixing it really good, guys, to make sure there's no pockets of flour within the batter. But this is the consistency that you're looking for. It should look like a chunky pancake batter. Once it looks like this, it's time to get these fritters fried. So my skillet's hot. I'm just gonna add in some vegetable oil, just enough to coat the bottom. Once the oil is heated, I'm gonna use a spoon and just scoop in the batter. I try to get as many in the pot as possible. I don't like to make them too big or too small, just medium size, but this is all preference, guys. So if you want them big, make them big. If you want them small, make them small, but this is how I do it. So I'm keeping my stove on a medium heat. I don't want to put it too high because the fritters will brown too quickly and they won't be cooked on the inside. So keep the stove reasonably low, and you just want to watch them. I cooked mine for 3 minutes per side, but once they start to turn golden brown, you can flip them over or remove them from your skillet. Now, once I remove them from the skillet, I do rest them on paper towel because fritters, they tend to suck up a lot of oil, so the paper towel will just help eliminate some of that. So I finished my first batch of fritters, and like I said, I'm having them rest on the paper towel, and I'm just going to continue on until all the batter is done. But guys, if you can smell my house right now, it smells so good. It smells like a baked banana bread. Ooh, I love it. All right, guys, so this is the last batch of fritters. I got a total of 11 fritters out of that batter, so it's a win. And guys, as you can see, this is a super simple and easy recipe. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this, and it's very interchangeable. You can change it up however you'd like. This is something that should be eaten right away, but it tastes good cold at room temperature. It tastes good the next day for leftover. This is just an all-around delicious little meal or snack. You can pair this with some scrambled eggs, or you can leave it by itself. My kids, they devoured this whole thing in less than an hour. So it's definitely something that is yummy for the whole family, and it's something that's very easy to make. So guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch another one of my videos, and I definitely want to take some time to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for taking the time to subscribe to my channel, and thank you to all my current subscribers, the ones that have been with me from day one. I so appreciate your support, and continue watching for more videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Happy holidays, guys.